What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up viewers and subscribers, man. Big up on yourself, and you don't know the thing going. You don't know so the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Yeah, people. So you don't know, it's another morning right now. Me I do the recording of people. You don't know so the roaster they on duty. So if you hear the roaster going to some sound in the background, don't feel no way in depth on him job right now. Well, viewers and subscribers, here we are going, you know, right? Yesterday I covered the story about the female that was found dead at her husband's house over in the USA, right? And there were a lot of things was speculating, a lot of things was talking, and even in those, you understand, talking and speech and vlog that I've done, people, I have stated that these are all allegations. You get me? I say because there are several things that talk, and that's where the road attack, the streets attack. Well, viewers and subscribers, because in the end, me want hear the fullest of what really are going on. So me I go try my best, people, to find out what's going on. And I do get the chance to spoke with the baby father or the man, you understand, who is the baby daddy. You get me, as a people, and I do spoke to him, and this man give me a different side to what really go on, people, and I explain a lot of different stuff to me, and me decide say, yeah, what go on now? And I ask him personally, I gonna share this with my viewers and subscribers so they can get a better understanding, because remember the first vlog we're doing, we do it and still listen at the streets attack, the road attack. Now we want to hear your side of the thing pertaining, because they were saying his child was a jacket and something, and the man get a jacket and all of that trigger off him head and something. Well, people, I do get in a different type of story with this man, and he might explain something different to me. But first of all, before I even start talk about what the baby daddy and I had spoken about, people, I just gonna read this article that's portraying what them say really occurred with the female, you understand, because I'm gonna read based on this article so people can really say, you know what I mean, okay, NEWLINK reading from something, I get maybe instead them I say, yo, NEWLINK and lie tell and this and that. So let me just read this article now, people. On September the 18th, 2020, Janice was brutally murdered by her husband. Her murder was only discovered days later after her family and friends had panicked and contacted the police when they had been unable to get in touch with Janice for 2 days. No one could imagine what they would discover when they arrived to check on her. They found Janice on the kitchen floor with stabbing and gunshot wounds that had left Janice lifeless. Her husband had committed suicide. Her 2-year-old son was found alive but tragically a witness and victim of this unimaginable crime. He had been left alone for 2 days before the authorities discovered this horrific situation. When they found her little boy, his mother and stepfather were dead, and he was in shock and covered in his mother's dried blood. We cannot even begin to imagine the horror it was for him. In this great devastation, the family hopes to bring Janice's remains back to her home country of Jamaica for a burial and a celebration of her life. Her family will also be traveling to pick up her son and bring him back to Jamaica, where he will live in the loving care of his grandmother, his dad, and family. To help Janice's family through this incredible, painful, traumatic, and unimaginable tragedy, family and friends are coming together to help in any way they can. Please help us by donating if you can, and or by sharing the post widely. Any assistance anyone can provide to help Janice's mom with the international, flight and everything, people, to bring the body back home. You get me, I say? And this is just another part where it's just describing who Janice really was. Janice Hutchison was an amazing mother, daughter, and friend that was loved by all who entered her life. She was a strong, vibrant, caring, and loving person who was only 23 years old. A dedicated mother and nursing student, she had great hopes of becoming a nurse to provide the best possible future for her son. Janice was a light and joy in the world, and never let a day go by that she did not reach out to family and friends, especially her mother in Jamaica, Angia, and Marie, who the family loving calls daughter. On September 18th, so basically this I go back to the fullness of Wagwan people. So she's 23 years old, or she was 23 years old, people, because she's now gone. She's no longer, you understand, on earth with us. In the end, as I hear everything what they're saying happened, people, and we should talk about that she was found, you understand, on the floor 2 days after with stab wound and gunshot wounds, husband commit suicide and thing. Well, the part that was making rounds, people, was the part that they were saying the baby is a jacket, and the father, you understand, the husband was, you know what I mean, like he was the one who was having it that the child was his, and in the end the child was not the husband's child. So, well, my viewers and subscribers, as I told you, I got the chance to speak with the father, right, which is the original daddy, and he is living in Jamaica, and now the child is in Jamaica now, people, with the daddy. So in the end, the father is saying, listen, my son cannot be a jacket because my son name is in my name. And he's also saying, people, the husband already know and accept the fact that she had a son, and he know that he is only the stepfather of the son, but not the original father. So he's saying it's not like, say, the man, no, you understand, say, listen, a jacket they give me or nothing, because what he's saying now, people, is that Janice isn't basically BITC put under something upon it with a H. You get me? I say she's nothing like that, because the other people may thinking that she's going around doing this, doing that, and have other man. But he's saying, listen, she's nothing like that. So in the end, my viewers and subscribers, because you don't know the attacking boss, you know, I really go deep and try to reason with this man as pointedly as I can. And in the end, I do ask him if he did have a relationship with Janice while she was with the husband, which he didn't want to comment too much on that, people, which I do understand. But basically, reading between the lines, yeah, there was basically something there. You understand? Because in the end, as I can tell you, I even say to him, it's been talked that she really loves you and not really the husband. But he's saying he can't do nothing about that if it do goes that way, which I don't know the thing that I do understand. In the end, my viewers and subscribers, right? I asked the man, so then basically, if this is what happened there, it's not a jacket, it's child, what could have she, and basically baby daddy is saying that she isn't a bad girl, you know what I mean, people, as I told her, she's not a girl who we know of going around here, because he said before she married to this man, he and her had a relationship than living together in Jamaica for over 4 years. Well, people, in the end now, what the baby daddy is saying now, she didn't die because of nothing pertaining to cheating or anything like that. And what he's saying is like the man has a problem, maybe mental breakdown, and that is what can lead him to do such thing or do such cruel act to this female. But in the end, viewers and subscribers, I'm not saying somebody who have mental issues or anything like that can't, you know what I mean, snap and do crazy things. But in the end, it must be a reason why he did it. And if you have mental problem, there cannot, it can also be there that there was no big reason, and he, because of his mental issue, he thought it was something different, and you know what I mean, maybe do something like that. But look into the whole thing of this, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to be honest and frankly, I think, from my thinking personally, I think there was something that drove this man to commit this act, people. I know, and yes, he can have a mental problem, he can have a mental breakdown and stuff, he can be going through stress, he can be doing this, doing that, people. But I think there was something there. And remember, as to what a lot of people are saying, people who claim to even be family of this female are saying, You know, she met him online because she was working in Jamaica in the hotel industry, and she do met this man online, and the opportunity do come where, you know what I mean, married and thing and get a chance to go over in the States and thing, and she do take that chance where other family members are saying, listen, they talk to her before about these things, but because she failed to listen, this is what it reach her and think they sorry to know what happened in the end, but you know what I mean, it's based upon her and the choices that she had made in her life. Well, my viewers and subscribers, as I told you, I'm really sorry about the passing, you understand, of this female, because in the end it is sad and no one deserve to be taken out that way. And to tell a man kill the female people, he leave the little child and then, you know what I mean, put a gun on himself. And I'm telling the people, if this man kill this female because of mental issues, as told them I say, and because he maybe never take meds on these people, honestly, I'm going to tell you the truth. He would have taken the life of the little baby. He would have leave it. Because the senses would have come in his head. If his mental issue people, everybody around him will take out. You understand? So there is way more to this, and I'm not a fool. And when I cover a story, people, I know that anytime I cover a story, when the truth hit, the truth never go on. People never go on the truth for hit. They always go say no go. So just like when I hear say police go there and slap a 2 gunman, right? And the police me tell lie and say them gunman, them and the residents them and say no one ever gunman. And sometimes them and them a gunman and the residents back them and say them and a gunman. It happen on both ways, people. So I know and I understand this, and this is a thing that I've been doing for a while. I'm doing vlog, people, and I know how vlog go. Me know how it go. Me know when me cover a story. Me know what to expect, what not to expect. You understand? And that's why I always try to follow up my story them and just to keep them once I get any more info and once I can see where it's fit to give it to the people, I going to do it, people. So in the end, as I say, there was something that's been hiding and the family know, and that's where I see family being posting. Maybe the baby daddy don't know personally, maybe you don't know, maybe you know, you understand, because basically people, there was some connection with him and the female same way. And I'm not going to judge and say it's based on because of their relationship or what that caused this people, but there was something behind this. You get me? In the end, viewers and subscribers, the female has passed and they have a GoFundMe, and anyone who can donate to the GoFundMe, please do and assist with the burial and to bring the body home back to Jamaica. But what I'm saying, people, I'm seeing where like family is using this female death also to gain from it. Because if this female passed away, why there are 2 GoFundMe account? That's what I'm seeing, 2 GoFundMe account, which is wrong. You understand? Which the one now people that hear a talk about individual, that's the one that the mother control. But I guess other family trying to do something and create another one. It can't be like that. Let the mother do what she has to do, you understand, and try to get her daughter back home. In the end, viewers and subscribers, we have to learn. You understand? We have to learn. That's it. We have to learn. And this is something that it's sad to know a life has been lost, and it's not the first to see in situation like this, people. But in the end, females out there, you all need to learn. You understand? Man too, learn. And I say it in the previous vlog that I did on this story, you all have to learn. It is sad that Janice has passed away. You understand? The son, the baby is now in Jamaica. People going through, you know what I mean? The baby is young. It's just almost 2 years old, but in the end, the witness to see the crime where his mother has been taken out and the stepfather, you understand, taking out his own self. And in the end, people, look at it. The baby has nothing to do with this. This is a personally pain or something that's been going on with this female and this man. It's wrong, people, because a man who take a gun and put on himself, people, definitely has some mental issues. He can't be in a sensible mind or a sensible senses to take a gun and put at him own head. You understand, people, after taking out the woman who is to he will marry to and call his wife. So wow, it just sad, people, because number one, what they said is right. The female, you know, she go to pick up the child because the child was at the man's house, which is the stepdaddy. So what is the child doing at the stepfather house, which is the husband? You know what I mean? She went there to pick it up. So basically then they wasn't living together or something. Come on. There's a lot of things I talk, people, but in the end, what I have to do is just do my part in the vlog, my part in the story, and cover my part. But it's just sad to know that someone has lost their life, you know what I mean, tragically taken out by the husband. And it's just sad, and it's just one of these stories that on a daily basis we try our best to cover the story and give it to you all people. And my condolences again to the family, you understand, and hope this baby will get through, have a great, you know, it's life gonna be messed up people because his mother gone, and but hope he can just grow and grow with this out his mind. And you know what I mean, people, in the end, viewers and subscribers, you just have to be good and be great out there. That's all NEWLINK can say. Just more love people and more respect, and just stay blessed and stay positive. Keep it going, keep it flowing. You don't know the attacking boss is here. Follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK_production official. On Facebook, NEWLINK production. On Twitter, NEWLINK production. Peace out. Attack them NEWLINK. Big up.